Namaskar. Today, we, the students of Shaurya House, are here to present Yogasanas on the theme Yoga, a simple solution to a healthy life. Yoga is a system of exercise which helps us in relaxing both our mind and our body. Now, let us tell you how yoga helps in diabetes. Yoga therapy increases the number of insulin receptors and increases the proportion of receptors binding in patients with diabetes. Now, let me and my friends take you to the path of yoga. The asana I am performing is known as Gomukh Asana. Pose in Agni Stambhana. Slide your knees together in front of you, stacking the right knee directly on the top of left. Now, for the upper body, extend your left arm up towards the sky, then bring your left hand down to the center of your back. Reach your right arm out to the same side. Hook fingers or hold hands behind your back. Benefits of Gomukh Asana are: it relieves stress and anxiety, it stimulates kidney, more elasticity it provides. Now release your arms and uncross your legs.
Now we are going to do Setu Bandh Sarvangana Asana. It is also known as bridge pose. Its benefits are: you will feel a sense of calm since this pose helps in reducing stress and anxiety. It also helps in improving blood circulation. Now we are going to do Chakrasana. It is also known as wheel pose. Regular practicing it helps in reducing stress and make your mind calm. It strengthens the pancreas that stimulates the release of insulin for balancing your blood sugar level. Along with this, it also improves the health of your kidney and liver.
Earth Matsyendrana Asana. It is also known as half lot of fish pose, half spinal twist pose. The benefit of the Earth Matsyendrana Asana are: it controls blood sugar and helps to cure diabetes. It can stimulate your liver, kidney, heart, lungs, etc. This pose releases the excess toxin and heat from your body tissues and organs. It opens your shoulder, hips and neck. Sarvang Asana means all lumps yoga poses because the performance engages all of the body. The benefits of Shavasana are: it controls blood sugar and helps to cure diabetes, calm the brain and help relieve stress, and mild depression, reduces fatigue and alleviates insomnia, strengthen the shoulder and neck movement.
Anushasan, lie on your stomach with your feet wide apart and your arms by the side of your body. Fold your knees and hold your ankles. Breathing in, lift your chest off the ground and pull your legs up and back. Look straight ahead and keep the pose stable. After 10 to 15 seconds, as you exhale, gently bring your legs and chest back to the ground. This asana involves the functioning of pancreas and intestines, thus helps in controlling blood sugar levels. Organs like liver and pancreas will function actively by practicing this asana. To do Halasana, lie on your back with your arms beside you, palms downwards. As you inhale, use your abdomen muscles to lift your feet off the floor. Your back should be perpendicular to the floor. Hold this pose and let your body relax. After 10 to 15 seconds, you may gently bring your legs down to the ground. This asana simulates the pancreas, spleen and activates immune system by massaging all the internal organs including pancreas. It includes kidney and liver functioning and strengthening.
In the end, I would say, Yoga se hi hoga. Thank you.
nature of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body. Namaskar, today I Anushka Lukhadia of class 9th here representing my house. Our topic is benefits of yoga in diabetes. So first of all, what is diabetes? Diabetes is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also called blood sugar, is too high. Blood glucose is your main source of energy and comes from the food you eat. Diabetes further can cause serious health complications including heart disease, kidney failure, blindness, etc. Some symptoms of diabetes are frequent urination, excessive thirst, extreme hunger, unexplained weight loss, and many more. Now my classmates demonstrate some yoga asana.
Gomukhasana. Gomukhasana creates mobility in the shoulders and hips while strengthening muscles of the back and the chest. It also stimulates kidney function, activates the bladder and the digestive system, and counters diabetes. Bhujanga Asana. This asana is very useful in strengthening the spine. It increases flexibility and releases stress. It also improves respiratory and digestive process. Pavan Muktasana. This asana helps to relieve gastric trouble over time, energizes the digestive system, restricts the enlargement of liver, and enhances the blood circulation in the pelvic area. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar helps to improve blood circulation in pancreas and upgrades the use of insulin in the body. It also relaxes the mind. Mandukasana. By doing this asana, the pancreas will generate the required juices which will help to cure diabetes. It also improves the digestive system and increases immunity. Ardhamastyendra Asana. This asana helps to massage the kidney, pancreas, small intestine, etc. It also enables to stimulate digestion and it is quite useful for diabetes with concentration on the pancreas. Trikona Asana. Trikona Asana help to the damaging effect of diabetes on kidneys, which is a major risk every diabetic patient experience. It also help in the better digestion and absorption in the body. Pakshimottanasana. This asana increases blood supply in the back by stretching the muscles of the back and along with the back of the leg. It also activates kidney and pancreas function and aid in achieving a slim figure.
Hello everyone, I Dhruv Bhargav of Nishta House is going to discuss about obesity, a chronic disease which increases body fat and many serious problems like hypertension, diabetes, heart disease and many more. We will be discussing some asanas to stay away and defeat obesity. Sarvangasana. This asana improves digestion, calms the brain and relieves the stress and mild depression.
Pavan Mukt Asana. The benefit of Pavan Mukt Asana are it strengthens abdominal muscles and reduces belly fat. Second, it's add weight loss. Third, it strengthens the back. Virkash Asana. The benefit of Virkash Asana are first, improving balance and stability in the legs. Second, build self confidence. Bhujang Asana. The benefit of Bhujang Asana are first, open the heart and lungs. Second, helps relieve stress and fatigue.
Asana is Earth Mashendrasana. It reduces fat and stimulates the liver and kidney.
Tirkon Asana. The benefit of Tirkon Asana are first, increase stability. Tirkon Asana activities your core muscles which add in balance and stability. Second, open the hips and shoulder. Third, reduce stress.
Dhanurasana. This asana is effective in weight loss, give flexibility to the back, improve digestion and blood circulation. Mukasana. It relieves stress and anxiety, lead to better functioning, and found helpful for diabetes patients.
Dhyan Asana. The benefit of Dhyan Asana are first, the pose keeps the spine straight and helps develop a good posture. Second, can silence a mind. Naku Asana. The benefit of Naku Asanas are first, it strengthens the muscles of the arms, thigh and shoulder. Second, it helps in regulating blood flow at sugar level. Ustra Asana. The benefits of Ustra Asana are first, reduce fat on thighs. Second, reverse lower back pain.
Natrajasana. This asana can assist in losing weight, as we tend to burn calories during practices. It strengthens and stretches our legs, chest, abdomen and hips.